Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
My name is Pha Khan Kham. I come from YBS Student original. Now I'm going to show you all about one short story that helps us how to do and how to live. The title of the story is The Buddha Treading the Needle. Anuruddha was a very good figure, but he was blind. He did not feel sorry for himself because he was blind and kept up with his practice. One day, he fell a hole in his leg, and he's trying to manage. But to find is very difficult. He could not even thread the needle. And the Buddha came to his room and to thread the needle for him. Who is threading the needle for me? Anuruddha asked. It's the Buddha. It's the Buddha. The Buddha replied that while he was threading mending alone. And Anuruddha was very happy and was moved to tears. In brief, I'm going to tell you all, we should always help each other, right? We should always help each other. Don't stand or wait for it. When someone has some difficulty, helping each other.